Welcome back to my channel Knowledge Chronicle.
Did you know your daily curd, bread, dosa, or even cheese wouldn't exist without invisible creatures living right around you? Yes, I'm talking about microbes. They're not just in your surroundings. They're in your kitchen, your food, and even inside you. From making our meals delicious to boosting nutrition and health, microbes are silent heroes working behind the scenes every day. Let's dive deep into your kitchen and discover how microbes are powering your everyday food life. Microbes, short for microorganisms, are tiny living creatures that you can't see with the naked eye. They include bacteria, fungi, protozoa, microscopic algae, viruses, viroids, and prions. Even though they're small, microbes are everywhere, in the soil beneath your feet, the air you breathe, deep under the snow, boiling geysers, and even in highly acidic or salty environments where most life can't survive. While some microbes cause diseases, most of them are extremely useful, especially in food production. Let's explore how they work their magic right inside your home. Ever wondered how milk turns into curd overnight? It's all thanks to lactobacillus, a type of bacteria also known as lactic acid bacteria or LAB. When you add a spoon of curd to warm milk, you're adding millions of these helpful microbes. They start multiplying and produce lactic acid, which causes the milk proteins to coagulate, forming curd. But that's not all. Curd formed this way is actually richer in vitamin B12, which is an essential nutrient for your nerves and your brain. And inside your body, these LABs help suppress harmful bacteria, keeping your gut healthy and your immune system stronger. Now let's move to something spongy and soft, like dosa or idli. The dough used for these dishes is fermented by natural bacteria. Fermentation is a process where microbes break down food substances and release gases like carbon dioxide, which, makes the dough puff up. This happens through a process called anaerobic respiration, where microbes release energy without using oxygen. That's why your dosa batter rises overnight. In making bread, we use a special fungus, yeast, particularly Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Yeast feeds on sugars and produces carbon dioxide and alcohol, making the bread rise and giving it that soft, airy texture. Let's explore beyond the kitchen. In southern India, there's a drink called toddy made by fermenting the sap of palm trees. This fermentation is carried out by natural microbes, converting sugars into alcohol. Around the world, foods like fermented fish, soybeans, and bamboo shoots rely on microbial fermentation too, making them easier to digest, tastier, and sometimes more nutritious. These traditional methods not only preserve food, but also add unique flavors and health benefits. And who can forget cheese? Microbes are the reason cheese has so many types, textures, and flavors. For example, in Swiss cheese, the holes are made by Propionibacterium sharmanii, which releases carbon dioxide during fermentation. In Roquefort cheese, a specific fungus is grown on the cheese, giving it a sharp, distinctive flavor. The variety in cheese around the world comes from using different microbes, each adding its own unique taste, smell, and look. So, next time you enjoy a bowl of curd, a fluffy idli, a slice of bread, or a piece of cheese, just remember, microbes are behind the magic. These tiny, invisible helpers are essential to our food, health, and even culture. And honestly, they aren't just in science labs. They're right there, working inside your kitchen. If you found this video fascinating, don't forget, your one like, share, and subscribe will help us create more valuable content. Thank you for watching Knowledge Chronicle, where knowledge meets curiosity.